Shudder released last year VHS 94, and I was intrigued. And by God, I loved every single moment of it. The individual stories were so well done, the effects practical and amazing, and there was such a creepiness factor to each one that just left me enchanted. In fact, I loved the movie so much that I went back and watched the others, the namesake VHS, the second, unoriginally named VHS 2, and then the follow up VHS Viral. And I learned something pretty important. Listen to your gut. These first three entries weren't horrible, but they were predictable and boring. Now, I will say that the ending to VHS Viral showed signs of being interesting. But of course, as endings work, the movie then ended. So when Shudder announced a new entry coming called VHS 99, I was half hopeful and half fearful. Would it show the brilliance of 94? Or would it fall back into the mediocrity of the previous three? Considering it's a Shudder original, I bet money on the latter, as the quality of those little beasties have been sliding down faster than the greased pig running through mud.